Good morning, students. Very good morning. Yes, today we shall discuss second topic inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. First of all, we shall discuss now inverse function. What is the definition of invertible function? How can we prove invertible function? Yes. How can we prove invertible function in functions? Yes, sir. No? How? Very good. बाइजेक्टिव प्रूव करना पड़ेगा अदरवाइज क्या है एफ सर्किल जी एंड जी सर्किल एफ आइडेंटिटी फंक्शंस प्रूव करना पड़ेगा यस सर नो एंड सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट बाइजेक्टिव प्रूव करना पड़ेगा बाइजेक्टिव मीन्स वन वन एंड ऑन टू प्रूव किया दैट इज बाइजेक्टिव प्रूव किया देन एफ इनवर्स इज एग्जिस्ट यस सर नो यस नाउ हियर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस क्या क्या है फॉर एग्जांपल एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू sin x f of x is equals to sin x is a invertible function or not now we will check f of x is equals to sin x for example sin x का डोमेन क्या है all real numbers yes you can give if x is equals to 0 then what f of 0 क्या है sin 0 is equals to 0 if x is equals to pi means 180 sin 180 is equals to 0 yes or no yes x is equals to 2 pi f of 2 pi is equals to sin 360 is equals to 0 sir different elements here observe here different elements set domain क्या है 0 pi 2 pi दिया बट आउटपुट क्या आ गया जीरो आ गया आउटपुट क्या आ गया जीरो आ गया एक्चुअली वन डेफिनेशन क्या है वन डेफिनेशन क्या है different elements have different images but here different elements have same image yes or no so f is not 1 1 f is not 1 1 then f is not a bijective f is not a bijective then f is not a invertible how can we prove here inverse trigonometric functions how yes that is one particular interval trigonometric functions having inverse or understand or not that particular interval here for example f of x is equals to sin x x belongs to r then this is not a bijective so f is not exist f inverse is not exist but here our topic is inverse trigonometric functions how can we prove how can we solve the inverse trigonometric function then one particular interval trigonometric functions having inverse one particular interval for example sin x का particular interval क्या है f mapping from closed interval minus pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to रेंज पता sin x का रेंज क्या है -1 to 1 f mapping from domain closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 this interval only this interval to this interval then f of x is equals to sin x having inverse or understand or not this particular interval only f mapping from closed interval minus pi by 2 to minus 1 to 1 is a bijective f of x is equals to sin x only is a bijective function otherwise क्या करना पड़ेगा defined by f of x is equals to sin x is a bijective or understand or not bijective so f inverse is exist so f inverse क्या है f inverse f mapping from A to B, then F inverse mapping from B to A. Immediately you can change this -1 to 1. 2 range क्या है -π/2 to close interval -π/2 to π/2. Are understand or not? Are you understand or not? Yes, very good, very good. सभी को समझ गया? समझ में आ गया? Very nice. Simply f of x is equals to sin x, x belongs to R is not a bijective. Then f inverse does not exist. Yes or no? Does not exist. But particular interval, then f of x is equals to sin x is exist. Means bijective. Means f inverse is exist. So what is interval? Domain क्या है? f का domain क्या है? This. f inverse का domain क्या है? Reverse. डोमाइन -1 to 1, क्लोज इंटरवल -1 to 1, रेंज क्या है -π/2 कामा π/2. दिस इज कॉल्ड ए इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. ओके, इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन ऑफ साइन. हियर डेफिनेशन क्या है? डेफिनेशन देख लीजिए. डेफिनेशन क्या है? द फंक्शन f मैपिंग फ्रॉम close interval -π/2 comma π/2 to -1 comma 1 defined by f of x is equals to sin x is a bijection. The inverse of f from close interval -1 to into close interval -π/2 to π/2 is also bijection. This function is called inverse sine function or arc sine. Somebody write like that, arc sine function. Or understand? This is, it is denoted by x value क्या है? It is denoted by sin inverse. This is capital S. Maximum students and teachers are using this capital S. Symbolically, this is sin inverse. Arc sine. Are understand or not? This is called inverse trigonometric. Okay, inverse साइन फंक्शन. सिमिलरली कॉस फंक्शन. कॉस का डोमेन क्या है? रेंज क्या है? ओके, so now I am writing all domains and ranges of all functions, trigonometric functions. Okay, I understand definition. Okay, very good. Now here domains and ranges of inverse trigonometric functions. Simple. Okay, we don't want sine, cos, tan. Okay, we don't want the definitions, but we want only domain and ranges of inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, उसका रेंज याद करना, डोमेन्स याद करना. ठीक है. Here function inverse trigonometric function. Okay, domain, रेंज. वेरी सिंपल. इनवर्स का देख लीजिए. इनवर्स साइन इनवर्स. ओके, साइन इनवर्स ऑफ x. दिस इज x इनपुट क्या जाना पड़ेगा? क्लोज इंटरवल -1 to 1. इनवर्स का रेंज क्या आ गया? क्लोज इंटरवल -π/2 to +π/2. क्लोज इंटरवल देख लीजिए. क्लोज इंटरवल you will be same cos inverse of x. Even cos x is not bijective for x belongs to R. Same cos x is bijective for particular interval. what particular interval क्या है? Same, -1 to 1. Here closed 0 to pi. Closed 0 to pi. Same that. Tan inverse of x. Same. Tan x is not a bijective. ठीक है? Tan x is not a bijective, but particular interval, then tan x is bijective, and inverse is exist. Here r means you know minus infinity to plus infinity, or r sometimes r. Here क्या है? ओपन इंटरवल -π/2 π/2 ओपन इंटरवल, ठीक है, tan इनवर्स का. नेक्स्ट वन कोसिकेंट इनवर्स. कोसिकेंट इनवर्स ऑफ x. कोसिकेंट इनवर्स ऑफ x का क्या है? -∞ टू +∞, माइनस अदर ये करो -∞ to -1 क्लोज यूनियन 1 to ∞. दिस इज बेस्ट मेथड. ओके, कोसिकेंट इनवर्स है ना, साइन का सेम है, बट हियर क्लोज्ड -π/2 to π/2 सेम, बट हियर -0. ओके, 0 डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वन सीकेंट इनवर्स का क्या है? सीकेंट इनवर्स ऑफ x. हियर क्या है? सीकेंट इनवर्स ऑफ सेम, डोमेन सेम, डोमेन सेम. हियर सीकेंट इनवर्स का क्या आएगा? ये cos का सेम आएगा, बट हियर π/2 डिलीट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज सीकेंट है ना 1/cos. cos 90 0, anything by 0 undefined, like that you can solve it like that. ओके, cot इनवर्स ऑफ x. cot इनवर्स ऑफ x हियर क्या है? सेम -∞, +∞, दैट इज कॉल्ड r. r. ओके, हियर क्या है? दिस इज ओपन इंटरवल 0, π. ओपन इंटरवल 0, π. Are understand or not? You can read this domains and ranges of inverse trigonometric functions. Are understand? Yes. Most important. Next, properties. properties क्या है? properties of inverse trigonometric functions. One by one I will explain. Observe here one by one. Most important, you can read these formulas. Okay, first one क्या है? first one sin inverse of sin theta. sin inverse of sin theta, but here theta compulsory. sin theta क्या है? theta belongs to what? sin inverse is exist which interval? 1 closed interval -1 to -1 comma 1 to closed interval -π/2 comma π/2. So theta belongs to closed interval π/2 comma π/2. Understand or not? Yes. Next, cos inverse of cos theta is equals to theta. Theta belongs to yes closed interval 0 comma π. इसलिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? रेंजेस याद करना पड़ेगा. cos inverse सेम tan inverse of tan theta is equals to theta. Theta belongs to open interval -π/2 comma π/2. Same like that. Okay, sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse है ना, cosecant inverse. You know that ranges. I don't write here. Next, this is one part. Second part, sin inverse of x. Sin of this is okay. sin inverse of x, but domain क्या है? x का domain closed interval -1 to. Here sin okay cos inverse of x belongs to domain क्या है? cos का very good, same -1 to 1. Next one, tan inverse of x, same as x belongs to, domain क्या है r, means -infinity to +infinity. Same like that you can remember this domains and ranges automatically, you can do it. Next one, second one क्या है, very very important one. Here sin inverse of -x, sin inverse of -x is equals to minus sin inverse of x. You know value sin inverse of x, x का वैल्यू क्या है, x is 1 to 1, -1 to 1. Same cos inverse of minus x, pi minus, most important pi minus cos inverse of x आएगा, ठीक है, x belongs to close into -1 to 1. Next one, tan inverse of minus x, minus tan inverse of x, x belongs to r. Cot inverse of minus x, pi minus cot inverse of x, x belongs to r. Next, cosecant inverse of minus x, minus cosecant inverse of x, x belongs to r. Secant inverse of minus x, pi minus secant inverse of x, x belongs to r. Okay, these are the second property. This is first property. Second property, sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse of x. Okay, cos inverse of minus is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. Yes, you can do like that automatically. ठीक है. Now here, for example, do you want proof? Then now I am telling. For example, sin inverse of prove करना पड़ेगा. Sin inverse of minus x is equals to minus sin inverse of x. How it is? Yes, prove that. For example, like that you can take like that. Here, sin inverse of minus x is equals to theta. Let sin inverse of minus x is equals to theta. This is theta. Okay. So minus x is equals to sin inverse उधर लेके जाओ, स्क्वायर क्या आएगा, sin theta. Okay. X is equals to minus sin theta. Understand or not? So x is equals to minus sin theta. How can we write? Minus sin theta means sin of minus theta, you know. Yes or no? Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, you know. So x is equals to, here sin inverse इधर लेके आओ. So what? Sin inverse of x is equals to minus theta. Sin inverse, sin है ना इधर, sin inverse of x is equals to minus theta. So sin inverse of x is equals to minus theta. क्या है theta? theta क्या है? sin inverse of minus x. Yes or no? So minus से मल्टीप्लाई करिए, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करिए तो क्या आएगा, माइनस sin inverse of x is equals to sin inverse of minus x. Therefore sin inverse of minus x is equals to minus sin inverse of x. Are you understand or not? Yes. सर पाई कैसा आ गया, देखेंगे. पाई पाई क्या है? प्रूव दैट cos inverse of minus x is equals to pi minus cos inverse of x. ठीक है, you can take, let cos inverse of minus x is equals to theta, minus x is equals to cos theta. Yes or no? X is equals to minus cos theta, minus cos theta. X is equals to cos of minus theta, cos theta, cos of minus theta, cos theta only, minus cos theta नहीं है, cos of minus theta, cos theta only. So minus cos theta, how can it is come? Minus cos theta is cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta value क्या है? Cos of 180 minus theta value minus cos theta. So minus cos theta can be written as cos of 180 minus theta. So cos इधर लेके आओ. So cos inverse of x is equals to 180 means pi minus theta. Cos inverse of x is equals to pi minus cos inverse of what? Minus x. ठीक है, अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये माइनस इधर लेके आओ, ये cos इनवर्स एक्स उधर लेके जाओ, सो cos इनवर्स ऑफ माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स. इज इट क्लियर? यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, इजी है. cos इनवर्स ऑफ माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स. दिस इज, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? वेरी सिंपल प्रॉपर्टी, very simple property. Third one, sin inverse of x is equals to cos inverse of x is equals to tan inverse of x is equals to, you know, sin reciprocal, what? Cosecant. Very good. But here cosecant inverse of 1 by sin आएगा, cosecant inverse of 1 by x आएगा, पर x belongs to closed interval -1 to 1, इससे 0 डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. क्यों? आपको पता है 1 by 0 undefined. Yes or no? So cos inverse of x, very good, very good. Secant inverse of 1 by x. X belongs to closed interval -1 to 1. Closed interval -1 to 1 to 0. Here tan inverse of x. Yes, cot inverse of 1 by x. Here two cases are there. X belongs to positive 0 to infinity. This is interval. Okay, minus pi plus cot inverse of 1 by x. ठीक है, this is negative values आ गया. Then you can write this formula, positive का this. Are understand or not? Yes. Okay.